Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel English Tube. In this video, you will learn how to write a poster on Save Water. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. Firstly, start with a catchy tagline. Here, for example, I am writing Save water, secure our future. In the next line, write an eye-catchy slogan with an effective meaning. Here, for example, I am writing, don't waste water to harvest it later. In the next part, you have to sum up the important points that you need your audience to consider regarding saving water. Here, I am writing 3 important points. First point is, water is precious. Let's conserve it. Second point is, every drop count. Don't waste a drop. Third point is, save water, secure the future. To the right hand of this point, draw a pictorial representation of Save Water theme. Here I have drawn a cloud from which raindrops are falling into an umbrella, and I have written Save Water. And the cloud is a smiling cloud. Next is, you have to list out points for call to action. Here, for example, I am writing, how can you contribute? Under this heading, I will list 3 points or 3 actions that is needed to save water according to me. First point is, conserve water, preserve life. Second point is, use water wisely, make it a habit. Third point is, don't let the taps run, save water. In the next line, write a conclusive slogan or tagline. Here, for example, I am writing, if you save water, water will save you. In the last line, write the name of the organization on whose behalf you are writing this poster. Here, for example, I am writing by Panchayati Raj and Drinking Water Department, Government of India.